For many years, all our family been under Cedar Village Dentistry with Dr. Dooley's office. Dr. Dooley is one of the best doctors. All my family, my child, my husband, and myself always been visiting this office. From cleaning to any help you need, to implants, which my husband did. It's a perfect, very professional job. You always feel here very welcome. They desire to help. They desire to do everything the best and very professional help. It's a big family in here. When you walk in the dentistry and you smile, you are not afraid of doctor. That's the best. That's the best I feel with my daughter when she smiles, and the doctors is a big threat. Because Dr. Dooley, like I said, it's one of the best.